Hey everyone, back again with another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can turn off stolen device protection in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So when you take your iPhone and you see that you cannot turn off stolen device protection in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So you want to fix that issue. Simply just have to follow some steps to fix that issue. Simply just have to just go to settings and to have to make sure that you have strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. Just disconnect, just go to general and just scroll down and you see there's an option VPN and device management. Just tap on that and just disconnect to it. And the main reason is that you just make sure that which location is perfect or not. So simply just have to just go to the privacy and security. Just tap on that and see that there is an option allocation services. Just tap on that. So just scroll down and see there is an option system services. Just tap on that and scroll down and you see there is an option a significant location. It's turn it on. So make sure that before going to turn off your stolen device protection, you make sure that your significant location is turned it on and also accurate. Just like that, turn it on and just tap on toggle and just turn it on. So make sure that it's turned it on. After going back, again back, and just again back, and just go to the face ID and passcode and just simply type a password of your iPhone and just go to that interface and just go stolen device and protection. Just tap on that and here you just turn off your stolen device protection here. If you're not gonna fix after a significant location, just go to back, again back, and just go to the general section. Just tap on that and you have to make sure that you're just using the updated version of your iOS in your iPhone or your iPad. Just go back and just scroll down and you see there's an option a transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just go to reset and just reset network settings. Just tap on that and reset our network settings and just again go to back to your settings of your private. Sorry for that, you just have to just go to back and just going to face ID and passcode. Just tap on that and again go to that and here you just go to turn it off here. So that's the steps you have to follow it to turn off stolen device protection. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.